Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I went grocery shopping. I actually did a bunch of errands. It's President's Day and I have off work today, so I took advantage of my day off. So I haven't actually done real grocery shopping in like maybe a month or two, but the reason I went full on out and went healthy grocery shopping is because I'm going to Mexico in a month and I am starting to get really strict with what I eat. I wanted to share with you guys what I got, and I've been meaning to make a video like this for a really long time. So I thought today would be a perfect day because I literally went all out. I went to Whole Foods and Trader Joe's for the most part. I also went to Harris Teeter. Eating healthy can be fun. Eating healthy is not like a very difficult task. I know, eating a burger sounds more appealing than a salad, but honestly, it's just the different ingredients that you get and the way you mix it all together is really what makes it good. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also, I know it's been a really long time since I last filmed a what I eat in a day video, and this grocery haul kind of just inspired me to want to do another one. So if you guys are interested in seeing another one, then let me know in the comments. Thumbs up this video if you want to see another one of those, and I can definitely make a healthy what I eat in a day video because I am going to be strictly eating healthy for the next month, and I'm also going to Bali in April, so I have two back-to-back vacations that I want to look good for. So yeah, I am looking forward to showing you guys what I got, so stay tuned. So the first place I went to is Trader Joe's, and I really like Trader Joe's because they have a lot of unique stuff. I don't know if you guys have ever been there. I'm pretty sure most of you have, but their stuff is really different than normal grocery store. So the first things I got, and this is gonna go kind of randomly, but I got the salad mix. And this is a mix of baby arugula, spinach, and lettuces, but I really love arugula and spinach as a salad, so I got two of these, and I plan on chopping up some onions, some avocado, and throwing it all in there, making a nice big salad. Next, I just got some eggs because I need eggs, but these are brown eggs. I eat brown eggs. They have omega-3, and I prefer brown eggs over white eggs. And then I have a lot of produce because I'm really trying to eat veggies, a lot of not processed foods like fruits and all that, protein like chicken and turkey. So yeah, I have these organic romaine hearts, and so these are the elongated, the long leaf heads or whatever you call it. So I got these specifically for making lettuce wraps, chicken lettuce wraps, or I bought also a chicken salad that I'm going to show you guys, but instead of using bread, because I'm trying to cut out my carbs for the next couple months, I can just put any type of lunch meat or chicken salad in this and just eat it as is, eat it kind of as a wrap, a lettuce wrap. So that's what those are for. And then I got Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are my all-time. If you ask me what my favorite vegetable is, I will say Brussels sprouts or asparagus, but Brussels sprouts I'm just really obsessed with because I like the taste of it. Obviously they're healthy, and you can put so many different sauces on them. You can make them however you want. You can roast them, you can cook them on the stove. There's a lot of good ways to eat them, and I just love how it tastes. Next, I got some lunch meat. This is reduced sodium turkey breast, and I am trying to cut out sodium as well because that's what makes you bloated and makes your tummy a little round. Next, I have this salad dressing, and oh my god, if you have a Trader Joe's near you and you have not tried this, please try this. It's cilantro salad dressing, and I know a lot of people don't like cilantro, but I am obsessed with the taste and the smell and everything about cilantro, and this stuff tastes really good. I got some more veggies. I got some tomatoes. I plan on making a taco salad. I actually filmed a video about that recipe, a big taco salad, and that was my last what I eat in a day video, so I'll link that if you're interested. And then I got tofu. I want to make tofu stir fry. And then I also got this rice cauliflower. So of course cauliflower is the new thing. I'm gonna cut out rice for the next couple months as well, so this is a good alternative to that. What I usually do is I put this in the pan on the stove, and I kind of just fry it up, kind of like fried rice. I add a little bit of sauce in there, and I add some veggies, and it's just a nice kind of veggie mix. So this stuff is really good, and they have this at Whole Foods and a lot of other places, but I like Trader Joe's. And then I also got some Italian style chicken sausage. This isn't really the healthiest, but I mean, chicken is a better alternative to pork and other types of sausages, beef sausages. So this is maybe when I want to splurge, or usually what I do with chicken sausages, I slice them up and then I grill them on the stove, and then I put in some red peppers and some onions. So that's another favorite dish of mine. I could definitely do that in my what I eat in a day video. And then the last few things I got are a bunch of dips. And I got this chunky guacamole. This is made with Greek yogurt, and it's 60% less fat and 50% less calories than regular guacamole. So for 2 tablespoons, it has 30 calories. So I've never tried this before, but it intrigued me, so I'm looking forward to trying that. And I also got this salsa, and this only has 5 calories for 2 tablespoons, and I got this specifically to put on my taco salad that I plan on making. And then the last dip I got is this spinach and kale Greek yogurt dip, and I've gotten this before, and it is absolutely amazing. So I didn't buy chips or anything. I don't plan on like using these dips for chips, but I plan on using like carrot sticks and like celery and like veggie sticks, like a veggie platter type of thing, and I plan on just using that and dipping it into these different dips. That's all I got from Trader Joe's. Now let's move on to what I got from Whole Foods. So I got a kind of random mix of things. I got cilantro because this is what I plan on putting on top of my taco salad. I got some French roast K-Cups coffee because I need more. And another thing I plan on doing is I'm gonna start drinking my coffee black because I used to use creamer, but creamer has a ton of sugar. So like, since I'm being so strict, I'm gonna just drink my coffee black, which I have before and it's not bad. And then I got some white onions. I got these snacks, crunchy chickpeas, and it is a Bombay spice. I have tried these many times before. This is one of my favorites, but this does have a lot of carbs, and I'm trying to cut carbs out. So this is kind of maybe gonna be like more of a treat for me, like every once in a while. But the taste of it is really good. It tastes like Indian food if you like Indian food. I also made a video about how you can make your own like crunchy chickpea snack. It's really good. I got some pickles because I'm obsessed with pickles, and like literally this has 0 calories. Pickles are cucumbers just soaked in like the pickle sauce or whatever they call it. It does have a lot of sodium though, so that's the only thing, but you know, I'll probably just eat one once in a while when I'm craving it. Got some garlic, and then I also got some low-fat sour cream. This is what I want to put on my taco salad along with the salsa. And then I also got some low-fat cottage cheese. I personally love cottage cheese as a snack. Literally I used to get those little cups as a kid, like they were kind of look like the yogurt cups, and I used to eat those just as a snack. So cottage cheese is really good for you, and this is the low-fat version. And I can also like dip my carrots in here. I can like put this on top of my salad. Cottage cheese on salad is really good, so I can do a lot with this, and I just really like how it tastes. And then I got some baby carrots, what I plan on dipping into all those dips that I just showed. And then I got a bunch of sauces. I needed to restock on my sauces, and I got a few different kinds here. I got this stir-fry sauce. This is what I want to put in my tofu, my stir-fry mix, and kind of make, you know, just a huge stir-fry. And then I also got this peanut coconut sauce, which is absolutely amazing. I plan on making this with the tofu as well, maybe with the rice cauliflower, but this stuff is absolutely amazing. Next, I got this cocoa amino seasoning sauce. It's a marinade, so I could put on my chicken or just pretty much anything that I cook. And then the last thing I got is one of my favorite things ever. It is the coconut aminos garlic sauce. This is amazing for pretty much anything, like chicken, turkey, like literally you can put this on anything, and it's so good. And then I have another bag. This is my last bag. I got some more fruit. I just got raspberries, and I got some strawberries. I want to make like a big like fruit salad, like just chop these all up and put them all in a bowl and just have that as a snack. And then I also got bananas. This is the stir-fry mix that I was talking about. It's the broccoli stir-fry mix. Here's what that looks like. It has just a ton of veggies that would go in a stir fry. I'm gonna add the stir fry sauce to it, and then I'm gonna chop up some tofu and put the tofu in there. But you can also use chicken or beef, whatever type of stir fry you like. But I'm excited to make it with tofu because I've never made it with tofu before. I've always made it with chicken. And so that's also a really quick and easy meal to make when you don't have time. Literally it's just like frying everything. It takes like 10 minutes to mix everything together. And then I also got asparagus. This is like my second favorite vegetable aside from Brussels sprouts. Got my bag of avocados. I think they're all still kind of hard. When I buy avocados, I try to get them all super rock hard because I always buy avocados and then they always go soft way too quick and I never have a chance to eat them. And I have a zucchini. I might chop this up and throw this in the stir fry mix as well. Or what I like to do is I just like to chop it up and like put some like salt and pepper on it and kind of have that as a side if I make like grilled chicken or something. And so here I have, this is actually from Harris Teeter. Okay, so that's it for Whole Foods. I covered Whole Foods, that was it. And then the next thing I have is this It's called Robert's Famous Light Chicken Salad. This is the light version of the chicken salad. This stuff tastes absolutely amazing. For about 3.5 ounces, it's 140 calories, and it's just low in fat. It's just light, and everything has 10 grams of protein. And yeah, I've had this before and the taste of it is amazing. So what I want to do, usually for like a lunch, what I do is take like 2 or 3 strips of these, and then I take like some of this and I put this in a Tupperware for when I go to work, and I just kind of put it on and I just eat it as like a little lettuce chicken salad wrap, and it's absolutely delicious. I got a bottle of kombucha. So I primarily drink kombucha because it's good for your gut health and it's good for digestion. I don't drink this like in one sitting. Like I'll like drink maybe like 3 tablespoons, like the size of a shot, like 2 sips. Okay, I drink like 2 sips like maybe once a day. I like the taste of it. It tastes really good. But yeah, it does have a lot of carbs. It has a lot of sugars, so that's the only thing I don't like, but it really does help me. It helps me when I'm like, when I have heartburn and I need to like burp or whatever, like it really helps with that. And kombucha is good for you. So it might not be the healthiest choice, but it is really good for you. So and then the last thing I got is some multivitamins because I ran out, and these are the brand Vita Fusion, and yeah, this is just a complete multivitamin for everyday nutrition. So that's all that I got. Like I said, I'm trying to eat healthy. These are foods that are appealing to me. Like a lot of people have their different preferences over healthy foods and what tastes good to them, because like I said, eating healthy is not a chore. It's not something that has to be like dreadful. You can eat healthy and enjoy the food you eat. So all of these foods I got, like I actually enjoy. It's just a matter of cutting out, you know, like all the junk food, you know, like processed stuff. So I'm excited to get cooking. I'm gonna meal prep maybe today or tomorrow. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I said, if you want to see another what I eat in a day, like healthy version, then definitely let me know in the comments, and I can plan on doing another one because I kind of miss doing those. I used to do those a lot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.